Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the Kensington dock model and whether your laptop needs a driver or firmware update. Physically connect the dock to power and watch for the LED. This confirms the adapter and outlet work. Next, plug the supplied USB-C or Thunderbolt cable between dock and laptop. Make sure connectors seat firmly. Once done, let the OS enumerate attached devices. This is why drivers matter. If prompted, allow driver install and restart the machine to ensure stable peripheral detection. After connection, address displays and port assignments. Plug monitors into the dock's HDMI or display port outputs. For multiple monitors, use display port MSD or manufacturer guidance to chain displays. Attach Ethernet, keyboards, mice, and external drives to the dock's respective ports. Make sure high-power devices use powered USB ports or the laptop's own power. Then open your operating system's display settings to choose extended or mirrored modes, and adjust resolution. To finish, confirm everything functions. Check network connectivity through the dock, play audio to test the headset jack, and move a large file to verify transfer speeds. Ensure your laptop shows charging. If a peripheral won't appear, unplug and replug the device, then restart the dock and laptop to clear enumeration issues. Swap cables to see if a faulty lead is the culprit. If issues continue, update the dock firmware and drivers. Contacting Kensington support with device logs is the next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.